的？
就你一个人啊？
我操，这么卡！
你的手机卡还是这个卡？
你打开一下，你打。
我的外网打不开啊。Hello, welcome to the Febatt live stream. Highlight to all our new friends. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. 你不要一直在这里吧。就可以打开。
我也说一下分享那个现在也没有。
看得到吗？就你在，为什么它显示是你的？
啊？
你在看，为什么它显示是你的？
不知道。没进来。没有进来的。
你这个画面上看到你应该拍到下面去。对。连不到网我。Hi friends, thanks for joining. Hello to all our new friends. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. This battery is for an electric motorcycle. We use in LiFePro4 battery cells, 32140 cells for this pack. See the machine? That's right. We are live streaming directly from the Febatt factory today. If you are looking for reliable electric motorcycle batteries, don't just take my word for it. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes to see our manufacturing professions with your own eye. By the way, if you want to see more factory tours and expect battery tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The pack capacity is 30 ampere hours and 48 volts. That equals 1440 watt hours of energy. 走，你不用看我，你自己决定。These cells are all LiFePro4 Grade A cells, 32140 cells, and this battery is for electric motorcycle. Hello, new friends. Thanks for joining. Like this live if you are learning. Let's see more likes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment.没东西，你看什么？开这个，可以打开吗？ Hello, new friends. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. We maintain professional safety and quality standards on our model assembly line. After reading is completed, the technician takes the voltage of the battery pack to check for any missed or incomplete volts. After the weighting is completed, the technician takes the voltage of the battery pack. To check for the missed or incomplete welds. And this is our assembly process. This black wire is for installing the temperature. Yes, we are making lithium batteries. This battery pack is 13 amp hours and 48 volts. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Hello, new friends. This battery we made is for electric motorcycle. 不要拍到他们的产品。
好吧，就拿这个。
不要拍到我。什么意思？Look at everyone's face. Why? They are walking.
这种直播的画质太长了。
是你自己的没有选择，你自己手机选择那个画质，或者是你自己手机的那个网络的问题。这是1080P 的。Next, high temperature adhesive and double-sided adhesive are applied to the battery pack to fix the cells, and then the welding is welded. After the welding is completed, the technician will use a balancer to test the voltage. This is BMS. And they are using for our battery pack which is 48 volts.要走过可以，但是你
第一张它是和 R 的话，它直接让上面这个对准，它直接就说了个什么？
对啊，那你就这样啊，你这样手持，它是一点都不稳的，它是晃动的。他做得好就可以去学呀。We install the BMS onto the battery. After installation, we contact a semi-finished product test. Hello, new friend. The battery pack capacity is 30 ampere hours. Hi. If you have any questions, please let me know in a comment.我要审查，我要检查你的视频。
等一下你看你想要我你就好。
那你的也要用啊。
对啊。
我告诉你，你还不信我的。
没有，我是说我刚才镜头没歪，我放在那去了。够了啊。
要久一点，久一点。
再久一点。
This is our entire assembly process. This black wire is for installing the temperature probe. In this process, we apply a potting process to the battery pack to provide it with waterproofing, shaking, and buffering. Hello, new friends. Hello to all our new friends. We are Febatt, a professional battery manufacturer. We are live streaming directly from the Febatt factory today. If you are looking for double and reliable electrical motorcycle batteries, don't just take my word for it. Today I'm making you behind the scenes to see our manufacturing process with your own eyes. By the way, if you want to see more factory tours, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This battery pack capacity is 30 ampere hours at 48 volts. And it used for electric motorcycle.哦，香儿，香儿，这不是有一个 logo 吗？不能拍到。
不知道的。这边记一下。
有人评论吗？没有。
基本可以。这种第一手开放，第二的话放。你看，
我的连上要吧。This is engine carpet. Finish the protector test and charging discharging test.哎呦，别走了，看看评论。
没有评论。
Hello。Hello。别总是走了，我跟你说了，太晃了，你还是为什么要继续走呢？我把它放在下去，在那里不行吗？ 哪里？在哪里？Hello, we are from China. Nice to meet you. Hello, India friend. This is our Febatt factory. We are making electrical motorcycle battery. Nice to meet you. This battery is used for electrical motorcycle, which is 48 volts and 30 ampere hours.
网络有问题。
Your factory is located in Shenzhen. No, we are in Changsha, Hunan.
Chinese, feeding done.
Okay, I see. I know your Chinese friend. May we become your Chinese friend too?
CBAK 中比
Yes. This battery cell is CBAK. You know your stuff.
You have 什么 BMX 你们有那个 BMX 吗？
Yes, we have.
你们这公司都给。
You are so professional. Life profile is very expensive in India. We can offer bulk discounts for life profile sales. If you are interested to our battery sales, you can visit our website. Yes, we can sell the batteries to India.
We start the you also use
Cosmetic sales, yes.
Yes.
We mainly do battery. We mainly specialize in battery customization.
现在我是在进行YouTube 直播，然后你可以用英文去回复一下东西。
没问题，把观众的问题告诉我，我就用英文帮你回复。
好，你回复一下他们公屏。
First, thank you for your question, Gurav. Yes, we do use prismatic cells in some of our products, as they offer excellent energy density and structural stability. And hello to you too. It's great to connect with you from China.
回复一下公屏，他说谢谢，你也说一下感谢，跟他介绍一下我们是干什么的。
You're very welcome, Nur. We're Febatt, a team dedicated to manufacturing high-quality lithium batteries right here in our factory. We design and assemble reliable battery solutions for various applications, all with a focus on precision and performance, as you can see from our production line behind us.
他问了一个 You are the 什么那个什么 manager of this， 这个你也回。
说我们只是员工。
我们只是员工，你回答一下。
Hi, Gurav. Thanks for asking. We're just team members here, working hard to make sure every battery meets our high standards. It's all about teamwork to keep the production line running smoothly and deliver quality products. Subsidiary of Far East Smart Energy. Our factory mainly produces 48 volts lithium batteries, and we have a cylindrical cell production line with an annual capacity of 7 gigawatt hours. We focus on making reliable battery solutions for different uses, ensuring each product meets high-quality standards through strict production processes and quality checks. Smoothly. The team is carefully putting in insulating materials and connecting the wires to make sure each battery is both reliable and long-lasting.
然后你可以读那个，就是我们的那个顺序，可以按照这个顺序来跟他读一下。
1. Cell sorting and preparation. The automated equipment performs cell sorting. It controls the temperature and measures key information like the cell's internal resistance and capacity. After this screening, the cell-to-cell consistency is much better. 2. Assembly and welding. Once the cells are sorted, the technician arranges them according to the blueprints. This part is a fully automated process. After the welding is complete, the technician performs a voltage test on the welded battery pack. They check for missing or poor welds and confirm the presence of the battery traceability code. Sen. Insulation and wiring.
不用说3，
Next,
不用
we
说
start.
3，不用说3，就直接到3的话就是 next 就行了，4的话就是为开始就行了。OK。
1. Cell sorting and preparation. The automated equipment performs cell sorting. It controls the temperature and measures key information like the cell's internal resistance and capacity. After this screening, the cell-to-cell consistency is much better. 2. Assembly and welding.
好了，
Once
可以
the
可以
cells
了，
are
可以了，可以
sorted,
了，
the
可以了。
这个流程讲解下来，观众应该能清晰了解锂电池的生产过程了。稍后再为观众分析锂电池采用好的，说话了，专心直播。
然后回复一下他的公屏，这个 you are use 的什么这个。
我现在看不到公屏，你可以把观众的问题念给我听，我来帮你一起回答。
这个 you are used 什么？这一个。
You guessed right. I'm using a translator to make sure our conversation goes smooth.
对，你跟他说我现在这个
can't speak English fluently right now, so I'm using a translator to communicate with you. Thank you for your understanding and support as we introduce our lithium battery production process together.
No thanks.
If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We'll do our best to answer and share more about our lithium battery production with you. Yes, we are producing Nion cells. They offer great advantages in safety and sustainability, making them a promising choice for various energy storage applications. If you're interested in our lithium batteries, please hit the follow button. We'll be doing more live streams right here from the factory, showing you how we make our batteries and giving you an inside look at our production process.
可以跟他说一下给他介绍一下我们的一个电池，按照这个上面来说就行了。
Our battery pack has a capacity of 30 amp hours and operates at 48 volts, delivering 1440 watt-hours of energy. Measuring 170 automotive safety standards, ensuring both durability and reliable performance.
你跟他说，到时候我们可能也会有一个电池那个拆解的一个过程，叫他后续继续关注吧。
Absolutely, stay tuned for more updates and behind-the-scenes looks at how we build our batteries. We'll make sure to let you know when we have that disassembly video ready, so you can see all the details up close.
然后，他说了一个拜拜的话，你也跟他说一下，就是感谢的话，祝他有美好的一天。
You're very welcome. It was great sharing our battery production process with you. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead, and we look forward to connecting with you again soon.
然后看最后的一个那个什么 ，These are for 什么 something power 几转，然后这个中文是什么意思？
Got it. Then I'll tell the audience. These batteries aren't for power stations. They're mainly used in electric motorcycles, providing reliable power support for them. That's right. Your work repairing battery packs shows you're very professional. Understanding how improper use causes problems is key to keeping batteries running well, and your expertise helps a lot with that. We mainly focus on manufacturing lithium batteries, which are widely used in various applications such as electric vehicles, energy storage systems, and portable electronics due to their high energy density and long cycle life. You can say, "Welcome everyone who's joining our live stream today. We're glad you're here to learn about our battery production process, and we hope you enjoy the tour."
然后给他们做一下技术科普。
你可以参考手卡上的电芯一致性和灌胶工艺来讲解，告诉大家 Grade A 电芯的一致性对电池性能的影响。
这个上面不用说中文，直接全部说英文就行了。技术科普的这里。
The sensing wires are thin, but they are safe. They only measure the voltage and temperature of the cells. They do not carry the main current, so they will not overheat or cause safety problems. It is very important to check cell consistency. As we know, a battery's performance is always limited by its worst cell. That is why we exclusively use grade A factory cells. Before assembly, we remeasure parameters like internal resistance to ensure the best possible battery performance. If all cells are matched and balanced, the whole battery pack will have a longer life and better performance. Poor consistency can lead to lower capacity and quicker failure. We keep the weld joints clean and smooth for two main reasons. First, a clean weld has a low resistance, which means better power flow and less heat. Second, a smooth weld prevents damage to the insulating materials like the wrappers or tape, ensuring safety. Thermal conductive silicone is used here. We use potting for many reasons: heat transfer, cushioning, and waterproofing and dust protection. Potting adds some weight to the final battery, but it greatly increases durability. We always design the potting material and process based on the specific requirements of our customers. The automated equipment performs cell sorting. It controls the temperature and measures key information like the cell's internal resistance and capacity. After this screening, the cell-to-cell consistency is much better. Once the cells are sorted, the technician arranges them according to the blueprints. This part is a fully automated process. After the welding is complete, the technician performs a voltage test on the welded battery pack. They check for missing or poor welds and confirm the presence of the battery traceability code. Next, we start the final assembly process. This black wire is for installing the temperature probe line. The battery pack is then covered with high-temperature adhesive and double-sided tape to secure the cells. We then weld the voltage sensing wires and confirm the correct wiring sequence. We install the BMS onto the battery. After installation, we conduct a semi-finished product test. After the semi-finished test, we perform a potting process to provide waterproofing, shock absorption, and cushioning for the battery pack. Finally, the battery pack completes its production after passing several quality checks, including the aging test, finished product insulation test, and charge-discharge test.
说一下，今天我们是生产那个锂电池的，我们是今天的现场直播，然后还是讲那个中文不用讲，然后直接就从那个Z 开始 ，Z pack 开始，对吧？前面的说一下，介绍一下我们工厂，然后直接从那个 Z pack 开始，中文不用说。
The pack capacity, we are live streaming directly from the Febatt factory today. If you're looking for durable and reliable electric motorcycle batteries, don't just take my word for it. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to see our manufacturing process with your own eyes. The pack capacity is 30 ampere hours at 48 volts. That equals 1440 watt-hours of energy. The battery dimensions are 175 millimeters long by 140 millimeters wide by 315 millimeters high. The cell arrangement is 15 series, 2 parallel for this specific battery. We are using LFP, or lithium iron phosphate, 32140 cells for this pack. These cells' continuous maximum discharge current are 2C rate. The cycle life of each cell is 2,500 cycles or greater. The energy density specification is 165 watt-hours per kilogram. These cells are all A grade. This battery is for an electric motorcycle. It uses a high-strength metal casing, which is both safe and lightweight. Advanced features. Key features include CAN communication, a standard discharging cycle life of 1200 times, and compliance with automotive power battery safety standards. Our Nion batteries typically operate reliably between minus 20 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. This wide range ensures stable performance in both cold and warm environments, making them suitable for various applications.
好，你再跟他们说一下，今天的直播账号是结束了，大家继续观看。
That's all for today's live stream. Thank you everyone for joining and watching. Hope you've learned more about our battery production process. We'll see you next time. Bye.